Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Is the China-Pakistan bonhomie wearing off? Well, the BRICS declaration condemned the role of various terror groups, but the one that was the highlight was the Jaish-e-Mohammed. It may be recalled that China had refused to support the ban on the Jaish chief Maulana Masood Azhar. The BRICS declaration now is clearly a signal that China has recognized the problem of Pakistan-sponsored terror. The question, however, is whether a mere condemnation is sufficient or will China have to do a lot more. Experts believe that this indeed is a great start. China has at least started recognizing the threats posed by these terror groups. The next step would, however, be to back the ban on Azhar in the United Nations. Will China back this ban? Well, it is difficult to state for now if China would go that extra mile and back India's request. For Pakistan, Azhar is a strategic asset. In fact, only recently, Maulana Masood Azhar was told to play a bigger role in Kashmir. Now, China has plenty of business interest in Pakistan. China has sought from Pakistan an assurance that its assets would be protected, and the same has been reciprocated. Pakistan will deal strongly with any outfit in its country which threatens peace, but will remain mum on outfits like Lashkar-e-Taiba or Jaish-e-Mohammed, which are a threat only to India. Following the Pathankot attack, India had renewed its call to impose a ban on Maulana Masood Azhar and declare him a terrorist. India had submitted evidence about the involvement of the Jaish-e-Mohammed and also its leader in the Pathankot attack before the United Nations. It even told the Sanctions Committee of the United Nations that not listing Maulana Masood Azhar would expose not just India but the whole of South Asia to a potential risk. The committee, while submitting the proposal to UK, US and other members, said that if there is no objection, then the decision to impose the ban would definitely go through. However, China stepped in and told the committee to place the decision on hold. It may be recalled that China had blocked India's move to ban Azhar even after the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. But nevertheless, China, at least for now, has recognized that Pakistan in fact is sponsoring terror. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.